Good morning again. We are going to do one more sum, illustration 5. Here the name of the sum is not given. Prepare trading account, profit and loss and balance sheet. And here the first item is given cash in hand in trial balance 2000 rupees. This is the sum. Again let us start our sum with adjustment here. First adjustment is write off 2000 rupees as bad debts and provision for bad debts 5%. Now see, here bad debts as well as provision for bad debts both are given in adjustment. So first let us write debtors because both items are related with debtors, and in our sum debtors are given of rupees 82,000. 82,000. Here now we will deduct less bad debts 2,000 rupees. So the remaining debtors are 80. And now we will create provision, less provision. The provision is given 5%. It becomes 4,000. So the remaining debtors are 76,000 rupees. I told in my previous videos, whenever we have given bad debts as well as provision for bad debts, so always remember, first we are going to deduct bad debts, then we are going to deduct provision for bad debts. क्योंकि प्रोविजन हमारे एक्चुअल डेटर्स का बनेगा जो डेटर बच गए। तो हमारे एक्चुअल डेटर कितने के बचे हैं? 80,000 के बचे हैं। आप प्रोविजन अगर हम 82 पे बनाते हैं तो इसका मतलब 2000 रुपए के बैड डेट्स हैं वो हमने डिडक्ट नहीं किए, तो प्रोविजन 82 पे बन गया, मतलब 2000 रुपए पर भी बन गया, विच इज टोटली रॉन्ग। आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टूड। नाउ बैड डेट्स एंड प्रोविजन फॉर बैड डेट्स, अगेन दैट फोर लाइन इक्वेशन हियर, टू बैड डेट्स given in trial balance, my dear, add further bad debts 2000 rupees, add new provision, it is given 4000 rupees, and less old provision अगर होगा तो हम इसको यहां से less कर देंगे dear, less old provision, right sir? So again this adjustment is coming, bad debts and provision for bad debts. Next item sir, loan from X was taken on 1st August 2016. हमारे पास, let us see the trial balance, we have given loan from X 18%, 10,000 rupees, 18% loan from X, rupees 10,000, and now this loan is taken, it is given the date on 1st August 2016. We are preparing our account on 31st March 2017. It means what sir? It means from August 2016 to 31st March 2017 we have to pay interest. इतने महीनों का हमें क्या देना पड़ेगा? इंटरेस्ट देना पड़ेगा। How many months it becomes sir? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5 months plus 3, 8 month interest हमें देना पड़ेगा। Our loan is 10,000. This 18% is interest rate. So into 18 upon 100 into 8 upon 12. So my dear, it comes 4 2s, 4 3s, 3 6s, 1200 interest becomes, ये हमारा interest 1200 पे बन जाता है। Now let us see, do we have interest in trial balance or not? If it is there, then where we will find it? We will find it in debit side of trial balance or credit. Let us find out sir. Interest on loan, sum number 5, interest on loan not given sir. हमारे पास पूरे सम इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन नहीं है, तो where we will show it is our expenditure. तो interest on loan 1200 rupees because it is expense for the year and we have not paid it yet. हमने अभी तक इसको दिया नहीं है, ये ड्यू है, लिखा हुआ है, that's why it becomes our liability. Next point sir, included in general expense an insurance premium of 1200. जनरल एक्सपेंस में इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम इंक्लूड है सर। our general expenses are given 10,600, जनरल एक्सपेंस 10,600, इसमें इंश्योरेंस भी इंक्लूड है, तो उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा सर कि इसमें जनरल एक्सपेंस में इंश्योरेंस इंक्लूड है, क्योंकि अगर इसमें से आप जनरल इंश्योरेंस को जनरल एक्सपेंस में से लेस कर दोगे तो भी इंश्योरेंस तो आना तो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस तो डेबिट में ही है, इसलिए इट डज नॉट मेक एनी डिफरेंस कि वेदर इट इज इंक्लूडेड हियर, राइट सर। नंबर 2, नाउ इट इज रिटन दैट 1200 इंश्योरेंस पेड फॉर 1 ईयर, और इसके अंदर जो 1200 इंक्लूड है ये हमने 1 साल का दिया हुआ है सर ये प्रीमियम, और वो 1 साल कब खत्म हो रहा है डियर? 30th जून 2017 को द ईयर इज एंडिंग। हमने 1 साल का इंश्योरेंस किस डेट तक का दिया है? 30 जून 2017 तक का। We are preparing our account on 31st March 2017. It means again how many months advance, sir? 3 months. So 1200 into 3 upon 12. तो my dear, it becomes 300 rupees. हमने एडवांस दे दिया, तो we will deduct less prepaid insurance 300 rupees. The remaining amount is 10,300. And prepaid insurance is our assets. Prepaid insurance 300. I think you understood. Again I am telling you, sir. Some says that in general expense 1200 insurance premium is included. It doesn't matter, sir. No need to make it separate. आपको separate करने की जरूरत नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है, sir? General expense is also our expense, which will be coming into profit and loss debit side. Insurance premium is also our expense. Again, it will come in profit and loss debit side only. That's why no need to make it separate. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता अगर इसके अंदर include है तो. But another important thing is this 1200 rupees has paid for 1 year. एक साल का दिया है हमने. And when that year is ending on 30th June 2017. और ये ईयर हमारा कब खत्म हो रहा है? 30 जून 2017 को. We are preparing our account on 31st March 2017. What does it mean? It means हमने इसको 3 महीने का एडवांस पेड कर दिया, तो we will calculate it and deduct it, sir. Next account, journal entry, sir. Sorry, adjustment. 1/3 of wages and salary is to be charged to trading account and balance to profit and loss account. We have given wages and salary, and wages and salary is given to us, wages and salary 18,000 rupees. हमारे पास wages and salary 18,000 रुपए की दिखा रखी है. To wages and salary 18,000. Now some says that out of this wages and salary 1/3 is to be transferred to trading account. It's 1/3 become, my dear, 6,000 rupees. That is to be transferred to trading account, and the remaining we are going to show into profit and loss account. To wages and salary 9,000 rupees. Not 9, it is 12,000 rupees. Normally wages and salary come here in trading account only, but some says that whatever wages and salary is given to us, 1/3 is to be keep into trading account, and the remaining is to be carried forward to profit and loss account. Doesn't matter, sir. Some said that's why we did it. Next point. Entire stationery was used by the proprietor for own use. जितनी भी stationery है वो सारी की सारी who has used it, my dear friends? Proprietor. तो whenever any owner is using any of the item from the business, it becomes drawing. So how much stationery is given to us, sir? 2,000 rupees. To stationery 2,000 less private use, entire amount less 2,000. So balance will come here nil. And this 2,000 is our drawing. Here we will write capital, then less drawing 2,000 rupees. So simple. And last entry is closing stock is of rupees 50,000. 50,000 का closing stock है. Trading account credit side and balance sheet as such. Now let us complete the trial balance. I told earlier also, again just to remind, in trial balance debit side there could be only two types of item, either expense or assets. Trial balance की debit में दो ही प्रकार के item हो सकती हैं, या तो assets और या expense. और credit side में भी दो प्रकार के item हो सकती हैं, income या liability. तो first item is given cash and then bank. तो trade balance sheet asset side. Purchase trading account debit side, sales trading account credit side. Return inward, it is our sales return. So deduct from sales, it is given in debit side. Return outward, it is purchase return, trial balance credit, we will deduct from purchase. Then carries on purchase, given very clearly. Purchase, carries on purchase, it is trading account debit side, direct expenses. Carries on sale, profit and loss, it is indirect expense. Fuel and power, trading account, it is direct expense. Opening stock, 1st April 2016, trading account debit side. Next item now, bad debts and provision for bad debts. Sir, this is bad debts. First item, bad debts, old bad debts. So we will add over here. So it becomes, my dear, 12,200. Total amount हमारा हो गया 12,200. Bad debts given in trial balance. Add further bad debts given in adjustment. Add new provision. तो इस साल हमारा प्रॉफिट 12,200 से कम होगा, लेकिन हमारे पास नया प्रोविजन भी दिया गया है सर, ओल्ड प्रोविजन 2500, तो लेस ओल्ड प्रोविजन. अब इस साल इस प्रोविजन को हम यूज कर लेंगे इस प्रोविजन को यूज करने का ये बनाया इसीलिए था कि इसको करंट ईयर के एक्सपेंस को हम कम कर सकें। तो डियर इट बिकम्स नाउ 9700। नेक्स्ट आइटम debtors you can do creditor, capital, investment is our assets, non-promax done, repair, profit and loss debit side, general expense done, land and building assets, wages and salary done, miscellaneous receipt it is our income, and bills payable liability and stationery it is our expense already done. So this was your one more sum related to your bad debts and provision for bad debts. Thank you.